Big Brother is watching you. It's a fact. There's no way around it. The thing is, what are you going to let Big Brother see? See, the fact is that although we do want to protect our privacy, and details like my phone number is something I guard with my life. In fact, you can ask the people closest to me. If they want to make a phone call, they usually schedule it. But we're all different, and perhaps phone calls are the ideal way for you to connect with your clients. This is why customizing your contact information on LinkedIn is so vital. Now, if you're really going to town with your LinkedIn profile, you'll be including a lot of ways throughout your profile in which people can connect with you, whether it's email, your YouTube channel, your blog, your articles, or your events. So they'll have many ways to reach you. But at the top of your LinkedIn profile, there is a little blue marker for contact information, and you can decide almost everything in there. It does include your LinkedIn profile, but by default, it may include things like your phone number and your email address, and you may want to control this. So on LinkedIn, you can go and customize this information very simply by clicking on this area, clicking on your contact information, and then seeing what information you want to include. If you have a website, of course you'll want to include that here. But maybe, like me, you want to keep your contact information or your phone number private. So decide and provide the information that people do need to take the actions you want them to take.